Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to talk about putting the fuel tank gasket on a fuel sender, and a very clever trick that you may find making installation a whole lot easier. Now, you see the problem with the fuel tank gasket there, like we talked about the other day, there are 5 holes in the gasket, there are 5 holes in the fuel sender where it meets up against the fuel tank. But you'll notice they only line up in one configuration. There's only one way you can turn it, so that here we have all 5 holes all lined up. And now here's the clever trick that's going to make putting this in the airplane a lot easier. Because with this, holding this in place and reaching up through the bottom of the wing and then reaching sideways through the wing, steering this whole assembly into the wing properly oriented to go into the tank, quite hard when A, you can't see what you're doing, and B, you're doing it all by feel, one-handed, trying to get nuts started in here. Well, now here are the clever photographs that I think that you're going to love. So that was the clever photographs, and I hope you found it useful and informative. Good luck using this method. Thanks for watching, and have a good day flying your Grumman. Look for this link on a GPA page to support us. Thank you very much for your support.